Hi dear friend, do you want to buy the roller buckle with the round pin like this one? We often use this buckle at the ear, you can see. For this one is the gold color. You can see the weight is about 30.7 gram. You can see the surface is very beautiful and shining because we polish well, and the color is after planting. So you can see the color is very beautiful and it can serve for very long times. You can see also there have a round. We also have this silver color for your reference. You can also tell us to send you the color chart to choose the color you want. Look at this roller buckle. For the packaging, we normally package like this one. The first, we will use the paper to package it. For this one is about 20 pieces per one roll. This is one roll, and about 10 rolls per one bag. That means there are 200 pieces for one bag. Also, we can customize the packaging according to your need. Thank you very much.